If you want to shake the block with serious bass, you need an amp that delivers big power with rock-solid performance. Introducing the Power Acoustik VA1-10000D, a monoblock amplifier from the Vertigo Series, pushing out an earth-shaking 10,000 watts max power. This amp is built for serious low-end impact. With Class D technology, you get efficient power delivery and cleaner output, ideal for driving demanding subwoofer setups with clarity and control. And all at affordable prices. Here's what makes the VA1-10000D a true performer. MOSFET power supply for consistent, efficient output. Low-level RCA inputs for clean signal integration. Variable low-pass crossover, 40 Hz to 180 Hz. Subsonic filter to eliminate low-end rumble. 12 decibel bass boost at 45 Hz for added punch. Wired bass knob so you can dial in your low end right from the driver's seat. Durability is in the DNA. The VA1-10000D is built with high-density PCB construction and includes thermal, overload, and short-circuit protection to keep your system safe, even when you're pushing it hard. It's also 1 ohm stable, giving you serious wiring flexibility and allowing you to unleash maximum output when paired with the right subs. When your system demands big bass and bulletproof reliability, the Power Acoustik VA1-10000D delivers. Check it out at your local car audio retailer or order online at poweracoustik.com. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us what subs you'd pair with this beast.